Discover the new Multicam 4000, our HDMI standalone camera with onboard software. Connect the camera to a screen and there you go! Without the need of a computer. Crisp and fast light images in 4K. Make live calibration and measurements. Image adjustments in real time. Annotations, highlights, and more. With an intuitive menu and toolbar. USB connection to your computer is also possible. Save and store your images on an SD card or USB stick. All the accessories and software are included. New Multicam 4000. Designed for efficiency.